All right, folks, welcome to a market forecast going on with the higher time and draw liquid of EURUSD, GBPUSD, and DXY. EURUSD, we have a weekly seated downside, a weekly ERL back to IRL. Why don't I say specifically this specific IRL? Because what's going to happen is this weekly fair value gap is going to get inversed. Once it gets inversed, we tap it, then go from weekly IRL back to ERL. Eventually, going from there on forward, ERL back to IRL. From this ERL, we're gonna see what's gonna happen next. But until then, that's what we got. Lower time for the time for a daily ERL. Back to this daily IRL, which is all over here. Which I don't think it's gonna get met. I think if a Ferrari can get inversed, that Ferrari can get tapped and go lower. But what I'll see right now at the moment is a daily ERL to IRL, as well as we have a daily C to the upside, another daily C to the upside. So I do want to see some sort of a, next week open, high, low, close, right? So that's what we have in the time frame. And eventually for the IRL, as you guys know, I'm gonna go back to ERL, etc., etc. So that's what we have for EURUSD. Why am I doing the weekly at the moment, not the high time frame? Because the high time frame is not relevant at the moment. So going over to the colored asset, the GU, with a weekly ERL back to its weekly IRL, a weekly seated downside, as well as a what we have. That's good enough. So we can see some sort of SMT, but let's see. Let's see if there's an SMT, I'm gonna see some high prices, but see, I have to see on it. Until that happens, we're not gonna. So bring the ERL back to IRL, weekly seated downside. Daily time we have daily ERL back to daily, go back to resist the daily IRL, and eventually go from there back to ERL, etc., etc. We go from this daily ERL back to this daily IRL. I think we need to do some sort of deeper retracement. I think we can go around here, then go lower, which could possibly tap this other fair value gap. But let's see. That's what we have for GU. On DXY, we have a weekly seated upside, a weekly ERL back to this IRL. What I'll say is weekly IRL, especially. I really want to say this weekly CRT high because this fair value can get reversed, which it did this week. It got reversed. We go for weekly IRL when it tells it back, ready to open, low, high, close. Open, tap the weekly fair value gap. After tapping the weekly fair value gap, go for weekly IRL back to ERL. So gonna tap this, weekly ERL. Eventually, go down from there on forward. See what's going to happen from there on. So on GU, we didn't inverse this fair value gap, but on EU we did. And in EU we didn't inverse this fair value gap, but on DXY we did. But this SMT may hold, and this SMT may cause the market to go up higher. As you guys know, SMTs or total soup, what are the soup? Yeah, thanks for watching. You guys like, comment, share. Join us down below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. This is there's no weekly CRT here at all. Let's see, is there weekly CRT here? There is no weekly CRT. There's no weekly SMT, I mean. Let's see what asset. Weekly SMT here at all. So I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, join us down below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.